Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. I'm Anna, and I'm so glad you are here today. In this episode, we are going to talk about something very practical for travelers: how to book a hotel room in English. Booking a hotel can feel stressful if you are not confident in English. But don't worry. Today, I will guide you through the most common situations and phrases so you can speak clearly, politely, and confidently. Let's start with the first step: making a reservation. When you call or email a hotel, you can say, "Hello, I would like to book a room for 2 nights, please." Or, "I'd like to reserve a single room from July 10th to July 12th. The hotel staff may ask you some questions like, how many people will be staying? Do you want a room with a bed for two or two separate beds? Will you need breakfast included? You can answer politely, two people will be staying. I prefer a double bed, please. Yes, breakfast included. Thank you." Next, let's talk about asking about the room and facilities. You might want to ask, does the room have air conditioning? Is Wi-Fi available? Do you have a swimming pool? These questions help you understand what the hotel offers and make your stay comfortable. Now, let's discuss payment and confirmation. You can ask, how can I pay for the room? Do you need a credit card to hold the reservation? Can I get a confirmation email? Always respond politely. Yes, I will use my credit card. Thank you. I look forward to my stay. Next, let's talk about checking in at the hotel. When you arrive, you can say, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name Anna Smith," or "I booked a room for 2 nights." The receptionist may ask you, "Can I see your ID or passport? Would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?" You can answer, "Here is my passport. A non-smoking room, please." After that, you may ask for extra services or information. For example, could I get an extra towel? What time is breakfast served? Is there a shuttle to the airport? Remember, polite words like please and thank you make your communication smooth and friendly. Let's practice a short conversation together. Guest: "Hello, I would like to book a single room for 3 nights. Staff: "Sure. May I have your name, please?" Guest: "Anna Smith." Staff: "Will you need breakfast included?" Guest: "Yes, please, thank you." This is a clear and polite way to make a hotel reservation. Finally, let's talk about checking out. When you leave, you can ask, "Can I pay my bill, please? Could you call a taxi for me? Do I need to return the key at the front desk?" Using these simple phrases will make your hotel stay easier and more comfortable. Before we finish, here's a small challenge for you. Next time you stay at a hotel, try using at least 3 English sentences while booking, checking in, or asking for information. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I'm Anna, and I hope you feel more confident booking a hotel room in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.